In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Meta AI. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to start using Meta's assistant on the web and inside Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, or WhatsApp without creating a brand new account. First, a quick heads up. There isn't a separate Meta AI account for most people. Meta AI connects to the login you already use for Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, or WhatsApp. It's free, and availability can vary by country and by app version, so if you don't see it right away, that's usually why. Let's start with the simplest path using the website. Open your browser and go to the official Meta AI site. On the homepage, look for a button that says Try Meta AI or Get Started. Click it and you'll be prompted to sign in. You can use your Facebook login, your Instagram login, or your general Meta account, the same credentials you already use. If you have security features like two-factor authentication, complete those as usual. Once you're in, you can start chatting immediately. There's no extra registration, no waiting period, and no payment screen. Type a question, try a prompt, or explore suggested topics right from the chat window. This works well on desktop, and it's fine on mobile browsers too if you prefer not to switch apps. If you'd rather use Meta AI inside the apps you already have, make sure they're up to date. Head to your device's app store and update Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, or WhatsApp. Then open the app and log in as normal. Look for a Meta AI entry point. In some cases, you'll see a dedicated Meta AI chat. In others, you'll notice a prompt in the search bar that lets you ask Meta AI directly. In Messenger, you can also type @Meta AI in a conversation to bring it up. The moment it appears, you can start using it. No separate sign-up required. A few important notes before we wrap up. There isn't an email-only sign-up flow, so you won't be creating a standalone Meta AI account from scratch. You also don't need a credit card. It's free to access. If Meta AI isn't showing for you yet, double-check your app updates, try closing and reopening the app, and remember that rollout depends on your region. When in doubt, the website method is often the fastest way to get started. That's it. Use the website for instant access, or open your favorite Meta app. Look for the Meta AI entry point and start chatting right away.